My wife wanted the tomatoes to look nice on the plate, but one dull knife turned a simple task into a mess, so I had to fix it fast. I grabbed the knife, saw how dull it was, and went to work right away. First, you grab a ceramic bowl from the kitchen and flip it upside down on the counter. Sprinkle a small amount of regular table salt onto the rough ring on the bottom. Then add a little white vinegar and spread it around with your fingers. This creates a slightly gritty surface that helps the blade sharpen more evenly. Let me know your state in the comments. It's always great to see how many DIY folks are out there. Now hold the knife at a steady angle and slide the blade along the bottom of the bowl. Use smooth strokes and light pressure. Do this a few times on each side, then wipe the blade clean. Now take the tomato and gently slice it with the knife. The blade goes through clean and smooth without crushing the flesh. The slices come out thin and even just the way they need to look on the plate. Now that the tomato slices look perfect, let's switch to a different knife that is even worse and see what we can do with it. Now, take another knife that has not been sharpened yet. Hold a sheet of paper and try to slice it. The paper tears and snags instead of cutting clean, which shows how dull this blade really is. Now, grab 2 plastic soda bottle caps and a sheet of 1000 grit sandpaper. Place each cap flat on the sandpaper and trace around it with a pen. Take your time so the circles are even. Use scissors to cut out both circles carefully. These sandpaper pieces will become the sharpening surface, so clean cuts help them sit flat later. This is a simple setup, but it works well and uses things you probably already have at home. Now take the 2 bottle caps and lightly scuff the flat side so the glue holds better. Put a small amount of super glue on each cap and spread it thin. Press the sandpaper circles onto the caps and hold them steady for a few seconds. Make sure the edges line up and sit flat. Let the glue set before you move on, so the sandpaper does not shift while sharpening. Now, place the 2 caps face to face, so the sandpaper sides touch each other. Hold them steady and use a heated soldering tip to melt a small hole straight through the center. Slide a bolt through the hole, add a washer, and tighten the nut firmly. This locks the caps together and turns them into a simple sharpening tool that is solid and easy to control. Now, mount the bolt into the drill chuck and tighten it. Turn the drill on at a low speed. Gently guide the knife edge into the gap between the sandpaper and move it evenly for a clean sharpen. Now, set the knife edge up and drop a carrot onto it. The carrot splits clean in half without any force. When I saw that carrot split clean in half, I knew this method really worked. But there is one more way that is even simpler. Now take your sharpening stone and place it in a bowl of clean water. Let it soak for about 2 minutes so the surface can absorb moisture. This helps the blade glide smoothly and keeps the stone from clogging while you sharpen. Now, clip 2 binder clips onto the spine of the knife. This helps keep a steady angle while sharpening. Place the blade on the wet stone and move it forward and back with smooth, even strokes. Switch sides and repeat until the edge feels sharp and consistent. Now the knife is sharp again and ready for the kitchen. You saw 3 simple ways to fix a dull blade using things you already have at home. If this helped you, hit the like button and subscribe for more practical DIY tips you can use every day.